welcome back to my channel. My air went out again at my apartment, so it is really freaking hot in here. I'm going to do another haul video today on products that I kind of collected over the month of May. Just a whole lot of hair care. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. I want to start off showing you this mermaid bag. I actually got this from TJ Maxx to put all of my hair products in it. I mainly put like my brushes and my sprays, and I put my clips around the sides of it. These clips are mine and these aren't new. 2 different appointment books. Go ahead and tell you guys this. If you don't care to hear like my personal business, you can fast forward. I had like a really bad panic attack, and I've been having really bad anxiety, and I'm about to start a new job, and basically I haven't been working, and I've been just going out shopping to help with my anxiety and anxiousness, so that's why I have all this random crap. But anyways, I'm on new anxiety medication, so I'm hoping that, well, it has been helping me a lot with my anxiousness and everything else, my stress. But back to this, I don't really use this one, it's too big. So I'll probably keep this until I work at an actual salon. And I've been using this one. It's really cute. And it just looks like that. I only have 3 clients on Saturday. I wrote down like the dates that I have school, and yeah, nothing fancy. Don't know if I showed you guys this yet. It says I love buns. I like big buns and I cannot lie. But this girl just reminded me of me. Whenever I have my big bun. It comes with bobby pins and 25 hair ties. I finally got a Vela Brush. You can tell it's pretty used. Got my hair in it. And this really does make your hair shiny. Like, it is so worth it. And you can do blowouts with it and any other hairstyle you want. I got 3 more Vela brushes. Combs, I mean. Just cutting combs and a parting comb. Got some more hair clips. These are the hot pink Fremar ones. These are my favorite ones. Got a wet brush, round brush. There's hair all in these. Sorry, I'm using them. Love this one as well. And 2 teasing brushes. This is the Paul Mitchell. This is just a normal teasing brush. Got a little baby pillow proof dry shampoo because my hair gets very oily, and I'm definitely about to use it. Baby 12 little baby fashion wear. This is my favorite volume of Hairspray by Redken, and some dry shampoo. I don't know what brand this is, but I've been using this and it works pretty well. I've been keeping these in my purse in case I need to touch my hair up or something. Mainly the dry shampoos I've been keeping in my purse. Never know when you touch up your hair. So the rest of the stuff that I got is mainly hair products, so we're going to get into that. If you're not interested in hair products, check out some of my other videos, because some other videos are about makeup, but I can't really afford makeup right now, so I'm switching to hair products. This is all the most recent hair products that I've purchased for my collection, as you can say, I guess. And I'm going to go ahead and say this now, that she has become my favorite line. I pretty much purchased the whole Miss Universe collection because I love it that much. It smells amazing, it works amazing, and it's pink. So you got the Chi Spotlight Shine Spray. I've been showing this off to all my friends at school. They love it. It gives a really nice shine to your hair. Like if you have really dull hair, this would be perfect to give your hair some luxurious shine. Why are you watching me? And then you got the Chi Rock Your Crown Firm Hairspray. Now if you don't like a really hard hold and you like a more kind of less texturizing hairspray. You don't want the... Oh wait, I got the wrong one. Thought this was the flexible hairspray. Chi Set the Stage Blow Dry Spray. This is pretty much just like the Pillow Proof by Redken. Both work amazing, but in my personal opinion, the Chi smells better. All these things I'm showing you by Chi, they all smell the same, and they all work amazing. And then I got the Chi Moringa Macadamia Oil. If your hair is really dry, this will be perfect for your hair. It's a serum. Put it in your hair wet, dry, whatever. Just don't put a lot, and don't put it on your roots. Don't ever put oil on your roots, because if you have really oily hair or your hair gets greasy fast, it's not a good idea. Then I got some Big Sexy Hair Root Pump Plus. Give your hair some nice volume. Some Vibrant Sexy Hair Rose and Almond Oil. It's a dry oil mist. It gives your hair some gloss, and you can spray it on your body as well. The Vibrant Sexy Color Lock Hairspray. This is a UV protection to help keep your hair colored. This whole pink Vibrant Sexy line is all aimed towards color treated hair to help your hair stay as luminous and colorful as possible. And we have the Vibrant Sexy Leave-In Treatment for distressed hair. I also use this in my hair currently as well. I got the Healthy Sexy Hair Tri-Week Leave-In Conditioner. This is also a detangler. I use this on my daughter's hair to help her hair not have knots. I use it in my hair as well. Stop, Kylie. Kylie, stop. Last two things is a Puff Me. This is a powder that you put in the roots of your hair to give you some volume. See it? And it's also Frizz's Mist by Redken. I use this in my daughter's hair and my hair to help. No, not right now. To help the frizz be dismissed. Alright, y'all, that is it for my haul video. Okay, okay. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something about some hair products. I never really see videos about hair products. I don't know if it's just talked about as much, or if I haven't like really in detailed search, but I feel like more people should be more knowledgeable about the products that they're putting in their hair and what's good to put in their hair. Me being in school for that, I just really like to spread, you know, what I know to other people. Stop, Kylie. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.